Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, and the beauty of my today's video is that it is very easy design ideas based patterns. So friends, if you are a beginner, an absolute beginner, and you are in search of very easy, simple and easy to make, only 5 minutes of effort required, very creative, simple, stylish and funky design ideas to design your dresses, to design your baby girl frocks, to design your baby girl dresses, to design your shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts in a very creative and stylish manner, then this video collection is absolutely for you. Friends, all of these designs are very lively, they are very funky, and all of these could be made by utilizing an effort of only focus attention of 4 to 5 minutes. So if you are really an embroidery artist, an embroidery beginner or an embroidery lover, then go try these patterns, where you can also design these patterns for making girls fashionable accessories. Like you can make these patterns onto your face mask, onto your handkerchief, onto your glasses covers, onto your mobile covers, onto your bags, handbags, clutches, and even onto your boots or sneakers that are made up of some fabric material. So stay blessed and stay tuned for watching more different types of very beautiful and creativities that are entirely made of hand art, hand embroidery. So hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new content. Up till then, take care.